What a crash landing there, Ski, with your joke. Just joking, just joking. I love you, and you know that your jokes are great. I am going to do some originals. Since it's been raining a lot, I figure I might as well sing my Rainy Days song. I changed the title to Rainy Days and Bummer Ways. I think that's just a little more fitting. So I am going to perform this song because it's just been raining a lot. So hope you enjoy. Am I coming through?
Yes.
Is it okay? It's not too loud?
Nope. Sounds good.
Okay. All right. Rainy days and bummer ways. Okay. Every time it rains, it feels like a bummer. You wish you hadn't made plans for the summer. Every time it rains, it feels like a bummer. I wish it could all clear away. Every time it rains, you look down at your shoes. I can't help but catch the case of the blues. Every time it rains, you're stuck with the news. You'll see the sun, wait and see. Every time it rains, dogs and cats. Time for us to take out our hats. Don't forget to bring in your mat. The rain will wash them away. Here we go. I know that everyone loves when it rains sometimes. But the birds in the trees and the bees in their nests will put on their best Sunday vests and see the sun again. Oh yeah. it rains, it feels like a bummer. You wish you hadn't made plans for the summer. Every time it rains, it feels like a bummer. I know it'll all clear away. Thank you.
Yay!
For listening to that bummer song.